Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Script with Bro. Remember back in school when we had the equation like 5x square plus 8 is equal to 4. In that equation, x is a variable, right? Well, in JavaScript, variables are just like that. But instead of solving math problem, we are sorting all kinds of stuff. Now, let's move towards the variable. What is variable? A variable is like a container where we can store the data. Imagine your kitchen. You have got jar labeled sugar, salt and tea. In JavaScript, variables are like those jars. You label them so you remember what's next. Simple. Again, imagine a label box where you can put your toys, books or even secrets. In programming, we use the variable to store the information like number, words or even more complex data. We can store string, number, array, object in the variable like the containers. Variables are not just storing text, they can hold different types of data. Let's look the main types. Here is quick example of variables data type. String. Let's give the example. Let name is equal to script with bro. Another data type is number. Let's give the example of it also. Let age is equal to 25. And another example is Boolean. Let is student is equal to true. Another data type is null data type. Let empty value is equal to none. And another data type is undefined data type. Let not assigned. Well, if you make string with one variable, then we can make number, array, object with same variable, which we call as dynamically typed language. Definition of the dynamically typed variable means we can change the variable type during the runtime. Some example of dynamical type are Python, PHP, Ruby and but another is static type, means we have to declare the type of variable at first, whether the type of variable is integer, floating point number, string and characters. Some example of static type language are C, C++, Go, Kotlin and also TypeScript. Naming the variable is like naming a pet. You want it to make. There are some rules of naming the variable. First and most recommended one is camelCase, which is most commonly used in JavaScript. In the camelCase, the first word is lowercase and the other word with the capitalized. Example. Let user age is equal to 25. And the another is PascalCase, used for classes and constructors. Every word starts with the capital letters. Examples. No need to focus on syntax of class. We will learn it later. Just we can see the class name user profile in which first letter starts with the capital letter, which is called PascalCase of naming variable. And another type of naming variable is snake case, which is less common in JavaScript. Words are separated by the underscore mostly. Names will be clear and meaningful. Here are some few rules to keep in mind before giving or writing the name of the variable. They must start with the letter, an underscore or with the $sign. They can include letter, number, underscore or $sign. They should not start with the number and should never be JavaScript keywords. Now let's declare the variable. Example, var a is equal to 7. Let a is equal to 7. In the both case, where a is the identifier, is equal to is the assignment operators, and 7 is the literals, and the whole process is called declaration or declaring the variable. Now let's put all together with the fun example. Imagine you want to create a full name by joining a first name, middle name, and a last name. Let first name is equal to script. Let middle name is equal to with. Let last name is equal to bro. Now let full name is equal to first name plus middle name plus last name, and the console dot log full name. Finally, we can see the output in the console as we learned in the previous episode. Yes, we can see the output in the console script with bro. If you find this video informative, then like, share, comment the feedback, and subscribe our channel to learn JavaScript from beginner to pro level.